Important to bring water. It's a short walk anyway. Some nuts, maybe I get hungry or something. And don't forget the antipack hand sanitizer, just in case, right?
Horse farm.
We're gonna go hiking today, the weather's perfect. It's gone.
Somebody thought it's warm. It's cold.
Look, it's summer. I was prepared like this and now I have to wait. It's cold here. Oh my god, it doesn't work! Can you give me the... No,
What doesn't work for you?
okay.
What? Okay, close the door.
We begin the hike here. We are in the Kyststien in Sandefjord. This is the coastal path. We are here on this peninsula, the Easter Island, the Østerøya. Here we are.
Where are we going? Show me.
We like to go here. We take this path, this coastal path over here. Now we are here in the parking lot. Now we begin our hike. This is the entrance. We were here last time, but unfortunately we didn't bring camera, just phone.
No, it's leaves. It rained and now it smells very fresh, like different smell.
All the path is marked with blue paint. They have agreement with the private owners. They're private owners of this property. So if you see the logo, the Kyststien, Sandefjord, that's the logo. There's a path here, going there and going here. So it's blue. We're taking this way.
Do you hear the sound?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh my god, I'm afraid of this. Do you see that? Can it be?
You eat that.
Sure. Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh,
It's
he likes you.
I don't like nature. We're gonna take the path on the left. We go straight. That's the usual destination if you want to make a shortcut. Strandvika, Tonnebergsøya and Natsvika. It's cold here. Actually, it's warm today, but not here.
Wow, nice view.
This is the beach. Nordre Trubervika. Nordre Trubervika. The North Trubervik beach. We have a video of this place taken last time. Oh my god, it's always beautiful. This place always amazes me.
Not cold, it's just refreshing.
For you it's refreshing, for me it's cold. This is the logo of the coastal path hiking trail. It's a guide for hikers. Blue paint. And you can also find that sign or that mark on trees. So if you see the blue mark, it means you're on the right path. You see another blue, and there's another blue over there. That's why I love this city. It's really nice. You have a beach, you're in the city at the same time, and it's close to Oslo. Now we're heading this way. This. We're hikers.
Yeah, I think run far and you can
Oh, that
stay,
would be nice.
and we just walk.
Oh, not my head.
Let's go back.
Look where we are now. This is the same place. This is Nordre Trubervika beach, but it's on the other side. This is the toilet, so you don't have to be in the nature. Here, we're taking the same way. What the hell? What? We just went around just to go to the same. I think we have to take another path.
Oh, you can walk.
Yes. This is another sign. That's the south, Sør, Søndre Trubervik, what's that? Ingebukka, Strandvika, Ertsvika, Tonsbergtuna. We're going there. There. This is the way. Now we're here. There's also a way to the left, of course, going to the beach. And now here. Now this is the beach. Now we are in Strandvika.
the forest. The Viking forest.
Viking forest.
Let's walk.
We're entering a place that is nature reserve. It's expected that everyone who comes here keep the place clean. It's a nice walking path. Oh, see. This is Naturreservat, nature reserve. And the plucking av planter are forbid. It's forbidden to pluck out the plants, take plants. You can report them to the police. This is another marking. Strandvika. That was Strandvika where we were. Oh, this area is Strandvika still. No English. I'll find later on. This is where we are right now. This is nature reserve. It's a nice hiking path. This is part of the coastal path in Sandefjord, in Østerøya, the Easter island. But there are two markings. You see there's blue and green. I don't know what green means. Maybe it's because it's nature reserve. Look, there's blue mark and green mark. Oh yeah, maybe it's because it's nature reserve, it's green. I just assume that, I'm not sure about it. We're going there later. Tonsbergtunnel, Edsvika. Now let's try Engebukta. The path here is kind of different, woody, a lot of fruits. Roots. What's fruits? Roots.
Scary sound.
What was that?
Sweet.
We heard something earlier and it's gone. Oh yeah, what's that? What kind of bird? A bird in distress. What was that?
Run. Let's run. Trolley sister.
Now we're heading to Engebukta.
This. How much protein is there?
You like to eat?
No.
When we run out of food, we eat anything. Oh look, I see something nice here. What?
Wolves.
Wolves?
Wolves.
Tracks?
Tracks of wolves.
You are right, not dog. Oh my god.
I'm joking.
Have this blue mark, blue paint, so we're on the right path. So it looks like fun making this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe. See you around. Till next time.
Let's fly.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's been a long time I flew, you know.